Okay, so 7.736 trillion SHIB settled in these wallets. I'll show you that in a few minutes, as this new milestone is a hit. Once again, Shiba Inu, we have whales just buying this thing in buckets, literally. Let's break this down right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. The captain's here, and you are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel, the best channel on YouTube. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Now, we're gonna talk about, I'm gonna go down to these wallets here. The top 5,000 ETH whales are holding this. You see this? I'm gonna zoom in just for a little bit. Check that out. I don't even have to read this. Look at the top 5,000 ETH whales are holding. And SHIB is at the top of the list. You know, I see Lincoln here, and I see some other ones in here, but SHIB is the first one on the list. That's all you need to worry about, okay? So look at this right here. I know I'm skipping around, but I'm just going to some areas that maybe you may be interested. As for the top 100 wallets that contain an amount of 68 million, over 68 million, which is 3.2% of their portfolio. That is amazing, amazing, amazing. 70 million in SHIB stored in the largest wallets. 70 million, 70 million. SHIB is a beast. Like, it's just not a meme coin. It seems like it's a revolution, because some of the top wallets, some of the top ETH whales that holding a lot of ETH and just holding a lot, it seemed like SHIB is always involved. It just seemed like, you see the 70 million in SHIB stored in the largest wallets here, and then a new milestone reached by SHIB. I'm gonna skip right over here. Several new levels have been reached by SHIB, Shiba Inu coin over the past 2 days. The first one is that the tweet, obviously by WhaleStats, reported that SHIB have managed to become one of the top purchased coins for the largest Ethereum whales. It's a top purchase coin. There's more things to come with Shiba Inu, and the whales, they know. Okay, the second is the rise of SHIB market cap. The rise of the SHIB market cap. It's by 4.54% over the past 24 hours. Obviously, that changes within the hour, but right now it's that point, but it changes all the time. And then the third one is, look at this. The total number of SHIB owners has added 1,300 new holders in the past day or so. Listen, I'm not telling you to buy Shiba Inu. I'm just letting you know that Shiba Inu is a beast. The whale know. That's why this number is always high. It seems like there's always a billion Shiba Inu tokens being bought by somebody. But Shiba Inu is here to stay. Doesn't matter about no regulations. That coin is here to stay. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. You are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.